You think you coulda get in on my feelings? You coulda get me for second down. Biggie, I hit and run. Biggie, I hit and run. Me did only one little dealings.
Welcome back, guys. So today we're here again with another fun makeup tutorial. So you guys know I've given you, I feel like, a good amount of neutral makeup look so far. So today I wanted to dibble and dabble in some color, make it more fun. And from the intro, yes, I wanted to do like a brunch inspired makeup. You know, I'm a girly. I do love to go to brunch. I love a good brunch date, and I feel like I wanted to do something fun with the makeup today. Grooming my brows here, I use my Got To Be gel. I do have a very detailed, beginner friendly neutral makeup tutorial where I stress the whole deal with me using gel, and it just keeps the brows very tamed. So now I'm cleaning up the bottom portion of the brows with my concealer. You guys know the use, but today's base focus of this video is really the eyeshadow. Okay, so yeah, I wanted to do something colorful but not extremely dramatic, but still giving glam, you know. And as I said, brunch is the vibe of today's makeup. Of course, you could wear it anywhere you wish, like any special occasion that you feel like it would be fitting for. Yeah, so I'm super excited. You guys know the whole gist with me using two tones for cleaning up my underbrow. It basically gives me more of a natural vibe, so I put more of I put a shade at the front part of my brow that's gonna come out more natural. To give the mid to end under portion of my brow more of a pop, I use a lighter color, and I usually take these drag these concealer down to my eyelid. Now what this does is act as like a really nice light base. Going in with my Afrogalactic eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with the eyeshadow Moonlight for transition, the transition shade today. But as I said, the concealers act as that base to help the eyeshadow to pop. So this is a very important step when I want to go all out with my eyeshadow looks. So this is basically a red that I use to intensify the transition area. I use tapping motions once applying the shadow, and when I want to blend, I use more of windshield, like small windshield wiper motions. All right, and you want to take your time to build. Never apply too much product at once. Take your time. So once I'm done with applying that shadow, what I go in with now is some more concealer, because I didn't want a defined crease today at all. I want more of a blown out vibe. So the next shadow that I'm gonna go in with, I didn't want it to have like to stop at a definite line, you know, like that cut crease vibe. I didn't want that. I wanted more of a soft crease vibe. I just used that like fluffy small rounded brush to create that vibe. You see how I kind of blow out the edges and it's not definite? That's exactly what we're going for. So you want to take your time and just do patting motions and like really tiny circular motions to kind of, you know, feather out the edges of that so that you don't get a harsh line, you know. And I just find this to be more of a classy vibe. I don't know, something about it is just so cute and classy to me. So I'm going in with my Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with a very nice soft glary pink. Yeah, I'm using pink, guys. You know, I'm not a big fan of pink, but something just told me that I wanted to explore today and do a color that I don't really usually do, and we're doing pink. So this is what I'm placing all over the lid, and you see how I kind of just blow that out. As I said, I don't want a definite crease line. It looks so gorgeous, and of course you could do this with any color that you wish. So now I wanted to create like a nice what would you say, a blown out like vibe at the lash line. So I went in with another pink shade, but this is from my Afrogalactic palette. I'm gonna put the specific shade down below because this is the very same eyeshadow I used for blush today. All right, so I want you to be sure to check out my description box for all the details. You see how I'm just tapping that and I'm kind of feathering that out. So with today's eye look, I didn't want anything to come off too harsh or too precise. I just wanted very controlled, feathered like lines and like a blended vibe. That is too cute. Let me know what you guys think. I was so excited. Like, it was this is definitely how I imagined it to look. So that was pretty much it for the initial portion of me applying eyeshadow. See, it's not too much to it. You just need to keep on practicing, especially if you're new to this. I went in with my Kiss lashes. This is actually the lash that I used in my previous makeup tutorial for the no foundation makeup look. And yeah, that was just a nice it gave it a nice cat eye vibe. I didn't apply any dark liner or anything, you know. That wasn't the vibe I was going for, because I still wanted to keep it daytime, so I didn't want like a dark vibe. Yeah, I went in with my primer and then I went in with my foundation. But you know what, today I'm not focusing too heavily on the face makeup. If you guys are interested in seeing like a full-on glam, like where I get really detailed with doing like face makeup and all of that, I link that down below in my description box, so please go ahead and check it out. But I really just wanted the eyeshadow look to really star the show for today's tutorial, because as I say, it's very much inspired by Brunch, and I feel like the color is what really make everything pop today. So that is really my aim. So where there's a few people asking for me to do like an eyelash tutorial, let me know if you guys definitely want to see something like that. I've done one of that in the past, but maybe you guys want an update. Let me know down below in the comments if that's definitely something you want me to do, like an updated eyelash tutorial, like for beginners. You know, my brows are microbladed for all the new subbies and new viewers. They're microbladed, so I don't usually have to do much to them, so doing an eyebrow tutorial would be a little like pointless for me. But I do have an eyebrow tutorial and it's on my channel here. It was a long time ago that I did that, but it's pretty much the same way that I go about doing brows. So yeah, just let me know, and let me know any other like makeup looks that you guys want to see me do in the comments section. I'm always ready to explore a new look. Listen, since I returned over here with doing new makeup looks, I've been like super excited and just like re-inspired all over again, and I love the feeling. Like, I absolutely love it. Let me know how you guys are enjoying them so far down below in the comments. You know, it is such a joy to be doing this again. I sometimes can't even remember why I break sometimes. You know, it comes with inspiration and the vibe, you know, I guess. So I guess that's what it is. But yeah, so I was pretty much just tying up for the most part the makeup, well, the face makeup here. As you can see, I pretty much set my entire face with my powders, and I was just contouring the nose. So I went in back with that same eyeshadow as I told you guys I was gonna do for the blusher today. Yeah, and you guys know I love to focus that on the high points of my cheeks, because that's just the vibe I like. I like that placement on myself. It just gave me that daytimey, fun, bubbly, you know, summery like energy that I was going for. So I'm happy I went with this color for the blush. Let me know what you guys think.
You think you coulda get in on my feelings? You coulda get me for settle down. Biggie, I hit and run. Biggie, I hit and run. Me did only one little dealings.
I did go on the lower lash line with that same pink shadow from the Afrogalactic palette. I did drag that on the lower, like right across the lower lash line, and just took my time to really build that up. As I say, whenever you're working with color or just overall the makeup, never apply a lot at once, because when you can at least build up, you know, a specific portion of that makeup, if you apply too much, it's harder to take away from it, you know. So a little at a time is always the best way to go about it. So for that shimmery pink shadow that I applied on the lid, I kind of applied that to the inner corner of the eyes to give it that nice luminous vibe. I really love the whole glowy vibe, especially for daytime. I feel like it just makes the skin look so nice and refreshed and healthy. And now I'm going with my airbrush setting spray from Charlotte Tilbury and spray that down so all those powders can just seep down in the skin and look more like skin. You know, it doesn't just look like it's sitting on top and just super dry, you know. Oh, you see where I'm going in with my Il Makiage highlighter. This is Golden Sun, and I take a fluffy brush because I like that very diffused vibe whenever I apply my illuminator. I don't want it to look like, you know, blotchy, so I feel like a fluffy brush really does help. Now I'm using my Superfan mascara from Smashbox, and this is what I use to amplify my lashes. You guys know I love to apply mascara to my lower lashes most of the time. I just love the look. And then I also lock in my natural lashes with the falsies on top, but just at the very base with the mascara after I'm done doing this. That's how we're looking. It is so gorgeous. Now I decided that I didn't want to do too much to the lips. I wanted to keep it so natural. You know, I'm always keeping a natural lip, but today specifically I took the same brush I used to apply my blush and took whatever was left over from applying the blusher to just dab mostly on the inner portion of my lip there. You see how I'm pouting my lips? You see that? And it gave me this nice flush tone. I went in with my Supafine Suga lip gloss from Fenty. Gosh, this just makes the lips look so juicy, and oh, I love it all the time. No liner, no nothing. You see what I'm saying? It looks so good. The lips just look super yummy, super refreshed, like, and I feel like when working with colored eyes, I definitely always want to do a neutral lip, but today I really wanted to tone the lips all the way down and not do too much, just a hint of that pinky vibe, and that's it. That is it. Let me know what you guys think about today's makeup look. I love it. Love it. This is so perfect for brunch. It's not only, as I said, you could wear it wherever you wish, but you know, once I thought about it, brunch just came to mind. And yeah, so be sure to go ahead, check my description box for all the products used to achieve today's makeup look. Let me know how you liked it. Yeah, let me know how you feel about it down in the comment section. As I always remind you guys, please let me know which other videos, it doesn't have to be a makeup look or makeup tutorial, but just let me know which other videos you would like to see me do, because I'm really in the vibe to explore, you know. Let me know down below in the comments. I had so much fun creating this look today for you guys. Oh, I was giving you variety here with the hair, so I thought that a cute little updo would look really nice with the look, you know, rather than just wearing the hair down. So I was just giving you like options with that, and I think this is so cute. Yeah, just a little claw clip action in the back, and yeah, that's it. That's me. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Want me did want, me never need her. This enough the people know